Hello fellow investors. Navigating the world of investments can be quite a challenge, especially when it comes to predicting which asset class will shine in a given moment. Will it be equity, fixed income, gold, real estate, or perhaps another commodity? This intricate decision-making process is often the most daunting aspect of investing. Fortunately, there's a guiding light on the horizon: the Kotak Multi-Asset Allocation Fund. This fund is poised to identify prime investment opportunities and pave the way for potentially rewarding returns. In today's video, we are going to delve into the fund's investment strategy, giving you the insights you need to determine if it aligns with your financial objectives. So let's get started. It is observed that different asset classes perform well at varying time frames. This notion is validated by the data spanning from 2012 to 2022, which underscores the importance of diversification. So wouldn't it be prudent to have a stake in each of these asset classes and bolster those allocations when they are poised to do well? That's precisely what the Kotak Multi-Asset Allocation Fund is designed to accomplish. The fund is a blend of equity, fixed income, commodities, and even overseas investments. Its net equity exposure is within the range of 65% to 80%. The fund management team allocates resources between large, mid and small cap stocks. This diverse portfolio spans across various sectors, housing a collection of 50 to 60 stocks. The fund strategy is executed with the help of a robust array of quantitative tools, which include the PE ratio, the yield gap, market momentum, and the gold-silver ratio. These tools give insights into market valuations. When the valuations lean towards affordability, the fund increases its equity allocation. Conversely, when valuations move into the pricey territory, equity allocation takes a step back, while other asset classes step into the limelight. It's all about balance and capturing the full potential of each asset class. Having understood the fund's investment strategy, let's look at the two main benefits. One is convenience. This fund offers you the convenience of consolidating various assets under a single umbrella. The fund's management team engages in dynamic allocation, which means they are continuously rebalancing the portfolio in response to the ebb and flow of market conditions. It's like having a seasoned navigator steering your investment ship through the ever-changing financial seas. The second major advantage is the taxation benefits. Despite its diverse array of asset classes, the fund enjoys the benefit of equity taxation. So not only are you benefiting from a well-structured, diversified portfolio, but you are also optimizing your tax liability. A true win-win situation. The Kotak Multi-Asset Allocation Fund checks off multiple boxes that cater to a diverse range of investors. If you are stepping into the world of investments for the first time, seeking the adept guidance of professionals to navigate asset allocation, or are a goal-oriented long-term investor, this fund could be your ideal match. Not to mention, it holds great potential as a retirement fund for senior citizens. Whether you're inclined towards a one-time lump sum investment or a systematic investment plan, this fund is a suitable fit. The new fund offer period kicks off on August 31st and closes on September 14th, 2023. That's a wrap on the Kotak Multi-Asset Allocation Fund. I trust you have gained some valuable insights today, and I invite you to subscribe for more content on mutual fund investing. Thanks for watching.